Hello grade 7, I hope you're doing well. So today we will continue our chapter about solutions, and we will see two new terms, dilute and concentrated. If you look at this picture, which is in your books, page 64, we can see that these two solutions, they have the same solvent. So what is the solvent in this case? It's water. And they have the same solute, which is T. However, we can see clearly that one of them has a more light color than the other. The other color is darker. And one of them has more solute than the other one. So we say that A1 is a dilute solution and A2 is concentrated. So concentrated, it has more solute in the same volume. So we have the same volume of water, however, in the second case we have more T, so it's more concentrated. Dilute يعني خفيفة, concentrated تقيلة. Also in this photo we see the same concept with copper. The color of copper ions in water, color of copper is blue. So the lighter the color is, the solution is more dilute, and the darker the color is, it's more concentrated. So we say that B2, this solution, has a higher concentration in copper than the solution B1. So what happens if we add water to two similar solutions? So we have two very similar solutions. They are not of different concentration, they have the same concentration, and we add water, which is the solvent, to one of them. What happens is, wherever we add water, the solution becomes more dilute. تصير خفيفة أكتر كل ما نزيد مي. So the color will become lighter. What happens if we add more solute? So if we add more solute, like in this case, they were similar, كانوا نفس الشيء, and we added more copper اللي لونه أزرق. We see that solution now is more concentrated. So let's read together this conclusion and we will study it. The concentration of a solution depends on the quantity of solute dissolved in a definite volume of solvent. So we studied previously what is a solvent and what is a solute. However, we need to know that the quantity of the solute and the volume of solvent are very important. The solution is more concentrated when the dissolved quantity of the solute is greater. So more solute, more concentrated. How to dilute a solution? So this could be the question and this is the answer. To dilute a solution, we add more solvent. More solvent should be added. To dilute a solution means to render it less concentrated, because dilute and concentrated are opposites. To concentrate a solution, what can we do? We can add more solute. So more solute should be dissolved in the given solution, or part of the solvent should be evaporated. So another solution, another way to concentrate a solution is to heat it on fire. So what happens is some of the solvent, some of the water will evaporate, and then we stop before all the solvent is evaporated, and what we have is a solution with less solvent and more solute, so it's more concentrated. Thank you.